Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can claim a $30 no deposit bonus account that you can use to start trading without having to make any deposit. Now, all you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the details on how you are going to claim this particular $30 no deposit bonus account. Now, for you to get the link to this broker, all you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of this video, take it to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, click on join. It is very important that you join so you don't miss out on further information and details concerning any accounts that I drop on YouTube, and also I drop the information on how you can get to make money online. Now, for you to get this particular account, the first step you need to do is to subscribe to my channel. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Subscribing to this channel will give you more leverage on any videos that I drop on Forex and deposit bonus account, free funded account, and free profile account, and also how you can make money online. Now, when you subscribe to the channel, do well to turn on your notification button so you don't miss out when I drop new videos. There are some videos that you need to claim very fast in a little time. So do well to turn on your notification button so you don't miss out on details and information that you need to know. Now, as I said earlier, for you to get this particular account, all you have to do is just click on the link in my Telegram channel. Click on the link in the description of this video, take it to my Telegram channel, click on join the channel. It is very important. Then after that, to bring it to an interface like this, as you can see right showing on the screen. Now, this is how you get started to claim your account. As you can see right here, click on get started, start your application, complete all the steps in the fast and simple sign process that you need to know. Once your account is approved, your $30 credit will be automatically added to it. As you can see, you don't have to put in any amount. It's zero deposit for you to get this $30 no deposit bonus, as you can see right here. Now, for you to get the terms and conditions concerning this particular account, all you have to do is just click on T and C applied right here. T and C applied right here. So we're going to click on it and get the terms and condition applied for you to get the withdrawal on this platform. Seriously? As you can see right showing on the screen, this is the terms and condition for the $30 sign-up bonus, your no deposit bonus account. As you can see right here, these are the terms and conditions you need to know concerning this particular account. Now, I'm going to read out the important ones that you need to know. I'm going to read it out. As you can see, this $30 sign-up account is organized by the Legacy. As you can see right here, the promotion is available only to a new client who open a new MT5 Prime account. As you can see, with a base currency of USD, EUR, GBY, and JPY, existing live account clients are not eligible. Participants must be at least 18 years to hold the live account, as you can see right showing on the screen. Now, the client can withdraw funds from their account only if the following conditions are met. As you can see right showing on the screen, profits are in account at least $60 or more, at least one lot has been closed, and a minimum of 20 closed trades have been executed. Now, this is the important ones that I need you to hold in these terms and condition right here. As you can see, only one $30 bonus is permitted for one person per household. Now, the 30 bonus promotion can be not be used in conjunction with any other promotion, as you can see right here. So once you click on the terms and conditions, all you need to do is to carefully read all the terms and conditions right here. Carefully read everything right here so you don't miss out. Now let's head to how we can get our account. So the next thing you want to do right here is to click on get started. Click on get started so we can get started with the registration and get our $30 no deposit bonus account. While this is loading, you have to wait patiently for it to load. By the way, this broker is a new broker This is a very new broker. I've not done video on this before, so trust me, you're going to get your withdrawals from this broker. Now to sign up, all you have to do is select your country. As you can see, put in your first name, your last name, phone number, email address, password. After that, you confirm that you're not a US citizen and you sign up. Now I'm going to do mine now and get back to the video. So once you're done registering, you'll be taken to an interface like this, as you can see right here. So the next thing you want to do now is to verify your email address. Now you'll be heading to your Gmail to get the message that they sent to you, so you can go ahead and verify the email. So now all you have to do is just click on the email, as you can see, then you click on the link below to verify your email address. So now after clicking on it, as you can see right here, you click on it, then to take it to the next interface showing on the screen. As you can see, congratulations, your email has been verified. Now log in to clicking the button below. So you're going to log in, and this is what you will have showing on your screen. Now the next thing you want to do is to complete your profile. As you can see, this is how the dashboard looks like. Now the next thing you're going to do is to complete your profile, so we can go ahead and get the account. As you can see right here, these are the only promotion that they have right here. So just in case you are having issue finding your country or finding your country to register the account, all you have to do is just use another country and use another phone number. Then you can go ahead and get started with the account. Now you don't have to verify the phone number for you to get the particular account. All you have to do is just verify your NIN, and to do that, all you have to do is just click on complete profile right here. So you can complete your profile. Click on profile, personal information, as you can see, and these are the details that you need to know, that you need to fill in your personal profile. Now as you can see right showing on the screen, so this is all you need to do. Put in the necessary details right here, put in the necessary details, and after that you click on next. These are the countries that are available for this particular account. Then after doing this, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on next to get this account. So after filling in your personal information, take it to investor information, you click it, you fill it, trading expectation, you fill it, your trading experience, you go ahead and fill it. Then the next thing, after filling all the requirements there, all you need to do is just click on next. That's after you've done the necessary details. Then now heading back to where you can get this particular $30 no deposit bonus account. As you can see right here, don't forget you have to click in your leverage and your channel, your client declaration. Then after that, you go ahead and get the account. So once your profile has been completed, that's after you have filled in the necessary details, you will be taken to the next interface where you need to get your account. Now for you to go ahead and get this particular account, all you have to do is just click on the support right below this corner. You click on the support, as you can see right here, this blue icon, you click on it. Then after clicking on it, it will take you right to the support page where you are going to be requesting for your $30 no deposit bonus account. Now the inquiry type, all you need to do is just click on the 30 bonus promotion, as you can see right here on the screen. Click on the 30 bonus promotion, and after that you are going to request on how you can get your $30 no deposit bonus account. That's what you'll be requesting from them. Then after that, they will reply you. As you can see, agents are not available, but trust me, you'll be replied after few minutes. They reply you after few minutes. If after watching this video you are still finding it difficult for you to get this $30 no deposit bonus account, all you need to do is to chat their support up. Chat their support, and I'll show you how you are going to chat their support. Ask them on how you are going to get this particular $30 bonus account, and trust me, you'll be responded to. They'll show you the step-by-step guide on how you need to get this particular account. Now this is all you need to know concerning this $30 no deposit bonus account. See you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share, like, comment and subscribe, and also do also turn on your notification button so you don't miss out. Bye.